Everyone hates passwords. They're a pain. Having to create them, enter them, and then enter them again when you get one character wrong. Well, I have good news. Google has made Passkeys its default sign-in method. What are they? A revolution in online safety. You can log in with a simple 4-digit PIN or your biometrics, your fingerprint or face. It's that easy. And creating a passkey is easy too. Visit Google's official Passkeys site, set it up, link your phone, and you're good to go. They're not just simpler, they're 40% faster than traditional passwords, and 64% of people find them easier to use. Google's making passkeys available in more places, from Uber to eBay, and soon even WhatsApp. If you need a hand introducing them to your business, get in touch. That's your tech update. More next week.